There, welcome to our channel. If you want to take 3D photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. Here, this is a 3D photo that I have just created. If you want this type of 3D photo on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there is a box from here. Like as you can see, I can zoom it, and this is actually a 3D photo that I have just created. And from here, as you can see, this is actually a 360-degree angle 3D photo, and this is actually my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's box. So if you want this type of 3D image on your device, then you just need to download an application that is Polycam. You can just simply go through the Play Store and go through the Polycam. And for information, this is not a promotional video. We are not promoting any company, or this is not a sponsor of this video, neither I sponsor. So I'm actually giving my best review that I have experienced with this application, and it's pretty good for free. This is a free feature of this application. You can go with the premium feature also, but according to the free feature, it's pretty good and the output is pretty good. You just need to click the perfect images, and as perfect as you click the images of the object, the best output will you get. You just need to tap on this plus icon, and from here you'll find the app, this camera, and from here you just need to take a photo of an object from all the angle, all 360-degree angle, and you must need 20 photos. You can simply find, let me click one photo from here. Here you can see I have just 1 2 3. It is now automatically counting if I rotate my phone. So you must need 20 photos of every angle of your object. So you must need to rotate your phone from 360-degree angle toward your this obstacle that you want to create a 3D image. So when you get the 20 image, I prefer you create 30 or more than that. After that, you can simply tap on this done button from here. When you just need to stop it first, then here you'll find the done button here. Now you just need to done it. Here you can see you need minimum 20 images required, so I'm going to get 20, and here you can find the done button. Simply click on done, and from here you can see you will get total 80 free photos captures, and here I have only 60 free photo captures left. So here you can see the details. You can go with optimized full or raw, and you can go with object making. The raw will get you give you the best output that you expect. After that, you can just simply tap on upload and process. It may take time, it may take much time, so you have to wait till the processing in. You just need to upload and process, and it will start processing for the 3D model of that object. Then you can just go back, and here you'll find the process status, and after completing you'll find this type of 3D model, and from here you can just edit your 3D model according to your needs from here. So it's pretty much useful application. So that's how you can simply create 3D model on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.